Right now, inflation is quietly eating your savings alive. Every rupee sitting in your bank account is worth less than it was yesterday. Most people in Pakistan know this and do absolutely nothing about it. But you click this video, so you're already different. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to open a PSX brokerage account and place your very first trade step by step. No jargon, no confusion. The KSE 100 delivered a 60% return in just 1 year. Your savings account, maybe 12%. The gap between the wealthy and everyone else isn't luck, it's knowledge. Let's close that gap right now. What is a brokerage account? Before we open anything, you need to understand one concept. PSX is a massive marketplace where shares of Pakistan's biggest companies are bought and sold every single day. But you can't trade directly. You need a middleman called a broker. Think of your broker like a waiter. You tell them what you want, they bring it to you. Except instead of biryani, they bring you shares of Pakistan's top companies. A brokerage account is simply the account you hold with that broker. It holds your money and executes your trades. Now here's what most beginners don't know. You also get a CDC sub-account. This is where your shares are stored digitally after every purchase. And a UIN, your unique investor number, your official identity on the stock exchange. So remember, brokerage account holds your money. CDC sub-account holds your shares. UIN is your investor ID. Simple. Now choosing the wrong broker could cost you more than you think. Here's how to get it right. How to choose the right broker. Pakistan has dozens of brokers, but only SECP registered ones are safe. That's your first filter, non-negotiable. For beginners in 2026, here are 3 solid options. K-Trade by KASB, fully digital. Open your account from your phone in under 30 minutes. Best for speed and simplicity. Arif Habib, limited, one of Pakistan's most trusted names. Great research tools, strong support, best for reliability. BMA, capital user-friendly, competitive charges, good for first-timers. How do you actually choose? Ask yourself 3 questions. Does this broker have a good mobile app? What are their charges per trade? Do they offer customer support when I get stuck? And here's what nobody tells you. The cheapest broker is not always the best broker. You want reliability and security, especially as a beginner. PSX is adding 10,000 to 15,000 new investors every single month. The window is open right now, but it won't stay this accessible forever. Coming up, the documents you need. Spoiler, it's simpler than getting a SIM card. Documents plus account opening. Here's everything you need to open your account. CNIC front and back. That's your golden ticket. A Pakistani bank account. HBL, UBL, Mizan, MCB, whatever you have. Proof of address, 1 utility bill or bank statement. A KYC form, fully online, takes 10 minutes. That's it. No salary slips. No interview with a serious-looking bank manager. Just your CNIC and 10 minutes of your time. Now the actual account opening process, step by step. Step 1. Download your broker's app and fill out the online KYC form. Upload your CNIC photos and bank details. Step 2. Submit and wait for verification. Most brokers verify within 1 to 3 business days. Some do it same day in 2026. Step 3. Your CDC sub-account and UIN are created. You'll receive your UIN by SMS or email. This is your official entry into PSX. Step 4. Link your bank account. You're live. And just like that, you are officially an investor. Not someone who says, someday. An actual investor with an actual account on one of Asia's most exciting emerging markets. Most of Pakistan's 220 million people have never taken these steps. They assume the stock market is only for the rich, the elite, the connected. But here you are, proving that wrong. Now, before you place your first trade, there's one account type every beginner must know about. It could save you from a very costly mistake. Sahulat account plus first trade. Meet the Sahulat account, PSX's beginner-friendly account that blocks access to high-risk products like margin trading. These are instruments that let you trade with borrowed money. Sounds exciting. But for beginners, they can wipe out your entire investment in one bad trade. Sahulat keeps you protected while you learn. Think of it as your training wheels. Not because you're not capable, but because every champion trains before they compete. Now your first trade. Here's exactly how it works. Step 1. Transfer funds into your brokerage app. You can start with as little as 5,000 rupees. Step 2. Search for a company you know and trust. OGDC, HBL, Engro, Systems Limited. And please don't buy a stock because your uncle said it's going to moon. Do your own research. Your uncle is not your financial advisor. Enter the number of shares, choose market order, and hit confirm. You now own a piece of a Pakistani company. PSX trading runs Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. One last thing before you go, and most people find this out the hard way through their tax returns. Don't be that person. Taxes and conclusion. Quick but important. Capital gains tax on PSX is a flat 15% for tax filers on shares bought from July 2025 onward. Not a tax filer? That jumps to 20%. So file your taxes today. The good news, NCCPL calculates and deducts it automatically every month. You don't do the math. You now have everything you need. The knowledge, the steps, the confidence. Most people will keep watching their savings shrink, but not you. Pakistan's stock market is growing. The opportunity is here. The only question is, will you act? Now opening your account is just the beginning. The real secret to building wealth is something Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. Watch my video on the power of compounding appearing on your screen right now. It will change how you think about money forever. Always do your own research before investing.